Hi folks, John Tobis here. I want to talk to you about using the Codebusters tool to create a decode problem with the Porta cipher. Now, one of the things about the Porta cipher is probably one of the easiest ciphers that we have on the test. There are only 13 possibilities, and what you'll see is letters in the A through M map to the opposite end of the alphabet, N through Z. So there's only 13 different possibilities for mapping. In fact, if you look at the example down here, you can see that G maps to T, and then further on, you'll see that T maps to G. So down here, so that makes it fairly easy to solve. The difficulties come from the length of the key and how you break up the phrasing. So if you say, for example, if you set the block size to be 5 and you come up with a keyword that's only 3 letters long, top, for example, then what will happen is when they're decoding, they need to make sure they keep track of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you can make it easier by having the keyword and the block size to be the same size. So here's a keyword of 3 and my block size is 3, so it's very easy. They know the first letter uses the first letter of mapping. So when you're generating it, you need to make a decision. All right, how easy or hard do I want to do it? And you need to come up with a keyword. Well, fortunately, we've got a nice thing to suggest keywords. You can say suggest keywords. It'll give you choices. It'll tell you the 3-letter keywords, 4 letters, 5 letters, 6 letters, 7 letters, depending on how difficult you want. Let's go for something that's a 5-letter. Fries. Would you like fries with that? So we can use fries as our keyword. And again, we want to make the block size. So if we make the block size be 3, then 4. That means they're always off by 1. If you make it 5, then it's an easy match, right? The first letter in there. And if you look at the points, right, having the block size is going to make it easier. If we go with 4 and we suggest points, you'll see it's going to give it, it's going to score a little bit higher. So in this case here, we want it a little bit more difficult, but maybe not. Let's make it something that we want them to solve. So we're going to go with a keyword, 5-letter keyword, a block size of 5. Now we're ready to finish up. So we need to suggest the question. All right. Okay, that's good. Replace the question text and number of points. We made it pretty easy, 123 points. We set the points and we save and we're done. And I hope you have a wonderful day.